Hello students. Next example is find the missing term in the following table. Here values of x are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and values of y are 7, question mark 13, 21, 37. Means value of y2 is missing since 4 values are known 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us assume the fourth order difference being 0, means delta raised to 4 f of x equal to 0. Also since one value is unknown. Now substituting delta equal to e minus 1, put delta equal to e minus 1, we get e minus 1 raised to 4 f of x equal to 4c0 e raised to 4 minus 4c1 e cube plus 4c2 e square plus 4c1 e plus minus 4c4 1 into f of x equal to 0. After calculating 4c0, 4c1, 4c2, 4c1, 4c4, we get e raised to 4 minus 4e3 plus 6e square minus 4e plus 1 f of x naught equal to 0, means e raised to 4 f of x naught minus 4e cube f of x naught plus 6e square f of x naught minus 4e f of x naught plus f of x naught equal to 0. That means f of x4 minus 4 f of x3 plus 6 f of x2 minus 4 f of x1 plus f of x naught equal to 0. Here x naught, x1, x2, x3, x4 means f of x naught is 7, f of x1 is missing, f of x2 13, f of x3 21, f of x4 37. f of x4 is 37 minus 4 f of x3 is 21 plus 6 f of x2 is 13 minus 4 f of x1 as it is because this term is missing plus f of x naught is 7 equal to 0. After calculating this, we get minus 4 f of x1 plus 38 equal to 0, which implies f of x1 equal to minus 38 upon minus 4 equal to 38 upon 4, which implies f of x1 equal to 9.5. Hence, the required missing term, value or term is 9.5. Next point is Newton's forward difference interpolation formula. Consider the set of n plus 1 equidistant values of the function y equal to f of x with x naught, y naught, x1, y1 and so on xn, yn. Let f of x be a polynomial in x of degree n. f of x equal to yn of x. yn of x equal to a naught plus a1 into x minus x naught plus a2 into x minus x naught into x minus x1 plus a3 into x minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus and so on plus an into x minus x naught into x minus x1 and so on x minus xn minus 1, give as equation number 1. Now putting x equal to x naught, x1 and so on xn minus 1 in equation 1, we get a naught equal to y naught equal to f of x naught, because when we putting x equal to x naught, these terms are becoming 0. So a naught equal to y naught, which is equal to f of x naught. Now put x equal to x1 means yn of x1 equal to a naught plus a1 into x1 minus x naught plus a2 x1 minus x naught, x1 minus x1 is 0. Similarly here x1 minus x1 0. Here x1 minus x1 is 0. So y1 equal to a naught plus a1 into x1 minus x naught, which implies y1 equal to a naught is y naught plus a1 into x1 minus x naught. Therefore a1 is a1 equal to y1 minus y naught upon x1 minus x naught equal to y1 minus y naught means delta y naught upon x1 minus x naught is difference, which is h equal to delta f of x naught upon h. Now put x equal to x2, we get y2 equal to a naught plus a1 into x2 minus x naught plus a2 into x2 minus x naught into x2 minus x1 plus a3 x2 minus x naught, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x2 is 0 means whole term is 0. Similarly, this term and these terms are becoming 0. So y2 equal to this term. Therefore f of x2 equal to y2 means f of x2 equal to a naught is f of x naught plus a1 is y1 minus y naught upon x1 minus x naught plus y1 minus y naught upon x1 minus x naught into x2 minus x naught plus a2 x2 minus x naught into x2 minus x1, which implies y2 minus y naught equal to y1 minus y naught upon h into 2h. This is nothing but the difference between values of x. Now here x2 minus x naught, if we take x naught, x1, x2, x3, difference are h, means x1 minus x naught equal to h. Similarly x2 minus x naught is h, 2h. Therefore f of x2 equal to f of x naught plus y1 minus y naught upon h into 2h plus a2 2h into h, because here x2 minus x naught, x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 is only h, which implies y2 minus y naught equal to h get cancel, minus 2y0 plus 2y1 plus 2h square a2. Therefore a2 equal to y2 minus 2y1 minus y0 plus 2y0 upon 2h square, which is equal to y2 minus 2y1 plus y0 upon 2h square. Therefore a2 can be written as delta square f of x naught upon 2 factorial h square. Similarly a3 equal to delta cube f of x naught upon 3 factorial h cube, and so on. N equal to delta raised to n f of x naught upon n factorial h raised to n. We set here x equal to x naught plus uh, which implies u equal to x minus x naught upon h. Now substituting for a0, a1, a2 and so on an in equation 1, we get yn of x equal to f of xn equal to f of x naught u delta f of x naught. Here a0 is f of x naught plus a1 is delta f of x naught upon h, delta f of x naught upon h. X minus x naught upon h is u. So equal to f of x naught plus u delta f of x naught plus u into u minus 1 upon 2 factorial delta square f of x naught plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 upon 3 factorial delta cube f of x naught plus and so on plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 and so on u minus of n minus 1 means u minus n plus 1 upon n factorial delta raised to n f of x naught. This is called Newton forward difference interpolation formula, and this formula is useful for interpolating the values of f of x near the starting of the set of values given. This is applicable for equally spaced arguments only. Okay. Now next example on the basis of this formula. Ordinates f of x of a normal curve in terms of standard deviation x are given as x1 1.02 1.04 1.06 1.08 y 0.24 20 0.23 71 0.23 23 0.22 75 0.2227. Find the ordinate for standard deviation x equal to 1.025. Here x naught is 1, x is 1.025 and h is difference between values of x are nothing but the 0.02. 1.02 minus 1 is 0.02. Similarly 1.04 minus 1.02 is 0.02. Similarly for 4th and 5th. U equal to x minus x naught upon h. 1.025 near this term. So here we use Newton forward difference interpolation formula. X is 1.025 minus x naught is 1 upon h is 0.02, which is equal to 1.25. Now by Newton's forward difference interpolation formula, we have y of x equal to y naught plus u delta y naught plus u into u minus 1 upon 2 factorial delta square y naught. Here I take f of x naught as y naught. Y of x equal to y naught plus u delta y naught plus u into u minus 1 upon 2 factorial delta square y naught plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 upon 3 factorial delta cube y naught plus and so on plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 and so on u minus n plus 1 upon n factorial delta raised to n y naught, which is equal to y naught is 0. X naught, x1, x2, x3, x4, y naught, y1, y2, y3, y4. Now here we have values of delta square y naught, delta cube y naught and so on delta raised to y naught. This value are nothing but the first. For this value we have to prepare a forward difference table. Forward difference table is x, y, (1.08). Values of y are 0.2420, 0.2371, 0.2323, 0.2275, 0.2227. Now delta y, delta square y, delta cube y, delta raised to 4 y. 0.2371 minus 0.2420 we get minus 0.0049. Similarly, we get minus 0.0048 minus 0.0048 minus 0.0048, 0.001 0 0 minus 0.0001 0 0.001. Now these values are nothing but the delta y naught, delta square y naught, delta cube y naught, delta raised to 4 y naught. Therefore, equation first becomes y of x equal to y naught is 0.2420 plus u is 1.25 minus 0.0049 delta y plus u into u minus 1 upon 2 factorial is 1.25 into 1.25 minus 1 upon 2 factorial. Delta square y naught is 0.001 plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 upon 3 factorial is 1.25 into 1.25 minus 1 into 1.25 minus 2 upon 3 factorial into minus 0.001 plus 1.25 into 1.25 minus 1 into 1.25 minus 2 into 1.25 minus 3 upon 4 factorial into 0.001. After calculating these terms, we get 0.235896239. So we stop here.